So I was reading a question, where people like to know how they can display their logo on Google Ads, and you wanna show your logo to your customers, when they are searching something on Google. So for instance, if I'm trying to target hotels in Hawaii, and I like to show my logo just like this, you can see. Just like in this video, like this green sign. In case if you want to do that, and with the Google Ads campaign, yeah, you can do it. And the process is again really easy, but you need to be patient because sometimes it takes time, where there are multiple procedures you have to do. So let's get started with first thing first. For instance, if we are here, okay, this is a sample of a Google Ads account. Okay, what we have to do is okay, you have to move over here, and you can select this assets option. And in asset, for instance, okay, what you have to do is you have to upload. Okay, so you can see that when I press the plus button over here to add an image, it's not showing over here. You know why? Because this account does not have advertiser verification. So in case if you want to show your ad, just like I have shown you, just a second, like this, where you can see your logo over here. So you need to have your advertising verification done. So because this account does not even have the billing completed, which is why you can't see the image option over here even in the asset section. So you have to move on to an account which is advertiser verified. For instance, this is as an account which is advertiser verified, and when I'm in the asset section of over here, I can just select the plus over here, and I have an option to upload an image. And here how I will upload the image, and I can associate with the campaigns where I want to show. And after I upload the image, you can see like this way my logo will be shown along with my ad, which can give more authority to my audience that I'm a verified and trusted business. But to get that done, I need to get my business verified in Google. And for to do that verification, what I have to do is I have to move on to over here, and I can select this advertiser verification service. So this account is advertiser verified. Okay, but in case if any accounts needs to be verified, so they have to submit some documents to get verification for their business. For instance, if I move on to this account, you can like this account is not verified. So I have for advertising verification, if I have to add, first I have to add billing and various other things over the account. So it can take time. For instance, if this account has a billing, this is for another client, and let's say, but this is not advertiser verified. So in case if I have to do this, I have to select over here advertising verification service. And when I select this advertising verification service, so they are not even asking for this, but we can get it done for our business, and this can give more trust for your business. So that is how, in case once your account gets advertising verified, this is also verified, so you can have your ad like this, and a logo is being shown along with your ad. So yeah, this was my video. And let's say, so in case if you want to show your logo along with your ads, get your Google Ads account advertiser verified, and that is how you can run ads along with your logo. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Thank you, and bye bye.